Hello everyone, welcome to our final episode. It's about AI in Illustrator. All generative tools explained. Adobe Illustrator is now powered by Adobe Firefly AI. Today we will explore all the built-in AI tools that can speed up your workflow and boost creativity. What you will learn in this video. In this video, you will learn what Adobe Firefly AI is and how it works inside Illustrator, the 5 main generative AI tools available right now, quick examples of what each tool can create. Tool number 1 is text to vector graphic. You can write your prompt and turn a simple text prompt into a ready to use vector graphic. No drawing required. This is the prompt that I used, a cute bird and vector art. You can write it in here that I show you in demo. First of all, open your Adobe Illustrator. I use this one. Try it now because Adobe Firefly is premium and it is not available for some countries. I generated this one, a cute bird. If you have premium account and this version is available in your country, you can write your prompt in here and click to generate. You can generate everything that you want for vector, and you don't need to drawing something. Just I wanted to show you how you can generate a text to picture. The second tool is Mockup Generator. You can make everything that you want. First of all, you can select the subject, then go to Window and use Mockup. Choose one of them and click on them. Here is that you can see my picture is now on the Mockup. And it's very easy because they are ready and you can use them by one click. There is lots of mockup samples. You can choose every one that you want. The third one is Generative Retype. You can retype the font that you want. I choose this font. It's a picture. I place it in Adobe Illustrator. Then open the window and choose Retype. And here, when you click, it shows you some font as the same of this picture font. Then you can choose every font that you want. Here is some sample that it generated for us. Then I write the same text, thank you, and I choose the font that it gives me. The last one is Generative Recolor. You can change the entire color palette of your artwork with a simple prompt. First of all, open your workspace. Then you can add everything that you want. Then you can choose your color by your own idea. If you finish your something that you want to edit, you can go to edit, color, and generative colors or generative recolor. Then you can write your prompt and generate. If it option is available to your country, you can generate your colors. What we covered today. Today we covered Adobe Firefly AI in Illustrator, explored the 5 main generative AI tools, saw quick demos of each tools in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your question. I'm here to answer. It was the last episode, and thank you to stay tuned.